Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by setting a clear goal for this easy newspaper tower project. Choose a goal height of 30 inches and a base width of 12 inches to keep the build stable. Gather 20 full newspaper sheets, one roll of tape that is 1/2 inch wide, and a pair of scissors. Clear a workspace measuring at least 16:9 in aspect for layout and assembly. Lay out all materials and sketch a simple 4x4 base grid and a central column on paper. Confirm the plan before cutting any paper to avoid wasted sheets. Begin forming structural tubes by rolling each newspaper sheet tightly into a tube about 1.5 inches in diameter. Secure the seam with a 2-inch strip of tape and trim any excess to keep tubes even. Create the base by arranging 16 tubes into a 4x4 grid, forming a 12-inch square footprint on your workspace. Join tubes end to end by overlapping joints by 1.5 inches and taping firmly to transfer load. Build a central column from stacked tubes and tape, each joint for continuous compression strength. Reinforce the structure by adding triangular braces between the base corners and the central column using 3 tubes per brace. Attach braces with tape at each contact point and ensure angles are roughly 45 degrees for efficient load transfer. Cap the top of the column with a flat platform made from 2 folded sheets to distribute the load evenly. Test stability by placing weights in increments of 0.5 lb, observing deflection and failure points as you increase to a safe maximum of 5 lb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.